So finally here on Salt Spring Island. It's been a bit of a longer journey, a bit of some delays, but you know, no rush here. We're just pulling into Long Harbor right now, so gonna head down to my bike and make sure it's still there. Yeah, it's still there. Okay, and probably next time I think I'll talk to you. I'll be at doing lunch or maybe at the campsite. We'll see. We'll see. The campsite, the campground. Yeah, it's kind of nice. There's a few people around. It looks pretty like a low-key start of the long weekend, but midweek. I'm just gonna grab the tent, set up the tent as like my home base, and yeah, maybe we'll do some food. Alright, I'm just doing a quick dinner. This is Backcountry Walk. It's a kind of a Canadian local Vancouver company. It's all vegan, kind of, you know, sustainable ingredients, and the packaging itself is actually biodegradable or compostable. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, verdict on the Backcountry Walk. Pretty good. I think maybe I added a bit too much water. I didn't quite know where the fill line is, but yeah, it's good. It has like a lot of rice, and there's like zucchini, some kind of mushroom. There's like tofu puffs, which like remind me like what you get at TNT, the kind of puff tofu. Yeah, it's all kind of dehydrated. You just add water. Bags are compostable, which I don't think you just want to bury them in the ground somewhere, but I guess that's, you know, it's a plus. Still. Yeah, overall, I mean, I don't know. Not much to say. It's a dehydrated backcountry meal, I guess. Here I am in the backcountry of Salt Spring Island.